Hello guys! Sa araw na ito ay nais ko po sa inyo i-share ang mga difficult words. Kung may nais po kayo pong mapalabas po sa paanong ito, ay pwede po kayo mag-comment down below. At kung may nais man po ng shoutout, ay pwede rin po mag-comment down below. So, hope you enjoy guys!
A few moments later.
Difficult words of letter G. Gabbro, granular kind of igneous rock. Gabel, tax on salt. Gabion, wicker work cylinder filled with earth or stones for building fortifications, harbor bars, etc. Gabionade, structure made with gabions. Gadoid, fish of the cod family. Gadron, form of floating architecture, notch molding. Godwin, substance occurring in cod liver oil. Cafe, blender. Galactic, astronomy, pertaining to a galaxy. Galactagogue, substance promoting milk secretion. Galactoid, milk-like. Galactometer, instrument measuring density of milk. Galactopore, milk duct. Galactoperus, conveying milk. Galactophagus, preventing milk secretion. Galactoposis, milk production and secretion. Galactorrhea, excessive milk flow. Galanti, shadow play. Galaxy, Milky Way, island universe, especially to one which solar system and all visible stars belong, collection of brilliant peoples. Galbanum, Asophetidae like gamrecine. Galea, helmet-shaped structure. Gallate, helmet shape. Galena, natural lead sulfite, main source of lead. Galenoid, like galena. Galericulate, having hat-like covering. Galilee, church porch or chapel at entrance. Galingale, ginger-like plant or sage with aromatic food used in medicine. Galeas, large-armed 16th century vessel with oars and sails. Galliard, gay galleon, lively 16th century dance. Gallis, in French style. Gallicize, make French. Gallicism, word or phrase borrowed from French. Use of such words in phrases. Gallimofree, hash of liver and other organs, hodgepodge. Gallinaceous, like peasants and domestic fowls, belonging to the order of birds including those. Gallinule, moorhen. Gallionic, pertaining to Gallio Acts 18, careless, indifferent. Gallifat, small ceramic pot for medicine, etc. Gallivat, East Indian Gallias. Gallomania, fondness for French life, manners, etc. Gallopile, lover of France. Gallophobe, hater of France. Galloway, breed of small horse and black cattle. Galvanic, pertaining to direct current from electric battery, giving or receiving shock. Galvanism, current electricity, study of electric currents and their effects. Galvanize, treat with galvanic current, stimulate into sudden excitement, coat with zinc. Galvanometer, instrument measuring small electric currents. Galvanoscope, instrument indicating presence and direction of small electric. Gambade, horselip, caper. Gambados, gaiters, especially attached to saddle. Gambier, yellow dye and astringent substance obtained from a vine of Malaysia. Gambuj, Southeast Asian yellow gamrecine, reddish yellow color. Gambrel, horsehack, kind of roof with pentagonal cable. Gamelan, musical instrument like xylophone, percussion, string and flute orchestra of Southeast Asia. Gamelot, fiber for paper, etc. obtained from sedge. Gamete, sex cells, reproductive cell. Gametocyte, cell reproducing gametes. Gametogenesis, production of gametes. Gametophyll, lip-bearing sex organs. Gametophyte, plant or stage in plant growth, bearing sex organs. Gamic, sexual, requiring or resulting from mating. Gamin, street urchin. Gamma, third letter of Greek alphabet. Gamma globulin, Any of a group of globulins including most antibodies concerned with immunity. Gamma ray, kind of radioactive ray resembling X-rays. Gammacism, stuttering over G and K. Gammadion, floral gammadia, cross a swastika form of 4 capital gammas. Gamogenesis, sexual reproduction. Gamut, whole range of musical notes, scale from do to do, entire range or compass. Gandura, short loose sleeveless garment of Leban and Asia Minor. Ganglion, floral ganglia, mass of nerve cells, nerve center, small cyst in tendon sheath, especially at wrist or ankle. Ganglionectomy, removal of ganglion. Ganglionitis, inflammation of ganglion. Ganglionated, having ganglia. Ganglioid, like ganglion. Gangrene, mortification of part of body, suffer or cause this. Gas gangrene, marked by impregnation of gas caused by bacillus. Gangrenescent, tending to become gangrenous. Gange, rock or earth yielding ore. Ganister, kind of flinty rock used for road faces and lining furnaces. Ganja, cannabis obtained from Indian hemp. Ganoid, applied to hard, smooth, bright fish scales, having such scales, fish with such scales. Ganoid, animal-like substance forming the surface of ganoid scales. Ganosis, reducing shine of marble, especially on naked parts of a statue. Gantry, frame-like support, especially bridge for traveling crane or bearing railway signals. Garcon, boy waiter. Garcon de honor, vestment at wedding. Garda, plural gardai, Irish policeman. Garderobe, wardrobe, private room, privy. Gargane, kind of till. Gargantuan, vase. Gargoyle, grotesquely curved spot projecting from gutter, excessively ugly face or person. Gargoylism, congenital abnormality characterized by extreme physical deformity and mental deficiency. Garnishi, law, attached property by garnishment, person receiving garnishment. Garnishment, legal notice requiring person liable to do so not to pay money, etc. to defendant in that suit but retain it on plaintiff's behalf. Notice calling third party to appear in suit. Garniture, embellishment, ornamentation. Garrote, strangle, execute by strangling, killing by strangling. Garrulus, talkative. Gasconade, brag. Gasket, rope or time furled sail, packing for pistons, etc. Gasogen, apparatus for aerating liquids. Gasteropod, kind of bolus, including snail, slug, wake, etc. Gastral, pertaining to stomach. Gastralgia, pain in stomach. Gastrectomy, surgical removal of part of stomach. Gastric, pertaining to stomach. Gastriloquist, ventriloquist. Gastritis, inflammation of stomach. Gastroenteritis, inflammation of stomach and intestines. Gastrolator, gluten. Gastrology, study of stomach and its diseases, etc. Gastronomy, science of food and cooking. Gastroscope, instrument for examining interior of stomach. Gastroscopy, gastronomy. Gastrostomy, making permanent incision into stomach. Gata, kind of shark of tropical Atlantic, nurse shark. Gauche, left-handed, awkward, tactless. Gauchery, such arc or remark. Gaucho, South American cowboy. Gaudimus, let us rejoice, students' revelry. Gaudimus igitur, let us then make merry. Gauleiter, Nausea, political governor of district or province. Gold, heavy clay. Gauss, electrical unit of magnetic induction, formerly of magnetic intensity. Gavage, forcible feeding. Gabel, hammer used by auctioneer or chairman. Tribute. Gavial, kind of Indian alligator. Gavotte, high-stepping French dance. Gazebo, summer house, belvedere. Gyal, pertaining to the earth. Gecko, kind of small harmless lizard of warm regions. Geese, old superficial alluvial soil. Gegenschen, soft light in the sky opposite sun, counterglow. Gehenna, hell, place of torture. Geiger counter, instrument detecting presence and recording intensity of charged particles, radioactivity, cosmic rays, etc. Geisha, Japanese dancing or singing girl. Gaze, spirit, intellectual capacity or bent. Gaetonogamy, pollination of a flower by another on same plant. Geconid, gecko. Gelastic, pertaining to laughing. Gelid, cold, frozen. Gelogenic, producing laughter. Gemel, in pairs, twin. Geminate, double, arranged in pairs, so arrange. Geminiflorus, having paired flowers. Geminiform, double. Gemma, floral gemme, kind of bud from which when separated from parent, new plant can grow. Gemmiferous, bearing gemme or gems. Gemmiform, like a gemma or bud. Gemmiparous, producing gemme. Gemmation, reproduction by gemme or buds. Gemnoid, like a gemma. Gemology, study of gems. Gemulae, small gemma. Gemulation, production of gemulae. Gemuliferous, bearing gemules. Genape, kind of worsted used in fringes, etc. Genarch, head of family. Gendarme, policeman trained and armed like soldier, especially in France. Gendarmerie, corps of gendarmes. Genealogy, lineage, family tree, study of family tree. Generic, of, pertaining to or characterizing a genus, sort, or kind. Genesic, pertaining to generation or genital organs. Genesiology, study of heredity or procreation. Genesorgic, connected with generation. Genet, civet-like animal, its spotted bar. Genetliacal, pertaining to nativity and position of star at birth. Genetliology, casting of nativities. Genetic, pertaining to organ, reproduction and heredity. Genetic engineering, manipulation of genetic material by biochemical techniques. Genetic fingerprint, unique pattern of genetic material specific to an individual. Genetic fingerprinting, identification of such patterns. Geneticism, theory referring to individual or racial history to explain existing conduct, etc. Geneticist, believer in geneticism, expert on genetics. Genetics, study of heredity. Genototropic, denoting a defect in metabolism which prevents the normal assimilation of essential food elements. Genitus, congenital. Genetrix, plural genetricist, mother. Geniculate, abruptly bent. Genital, pertaining to reproduction or the sex organs. Genitive, signifying possession or origin, such grammatical case. Genocide, extermination of a race or people. Genome, complete set of chromosomes of a particular organism. Genotype, genetic constitution of an organism, group of organisms with the same genetic constitution. Genre, kind, style, realistic painting of everyday scenes. Gens, plural gentes, ancient Roman clan, group with common male ancestor. Gentilicial, pertaining to nation or family, of high birth. Gentoo, Hindu. Genuflect, Vendani in worship. Genus, plural genera, class, kind. Biology, category between family and species. Geocentric, pertaining to center of earth, having Earth as center. Geocentrism, believe that Earth is center of the universe. Geochemistry, chemical composition of the Earth's crust. Geochronology, measuring of geological time, ordering of past events using geological data. Geochrony, chronology used in geology. Geocyclic, pertaining to Earth's rotation or revolution, revolving around Earth. Geode, cavity in stone lined with crystals. Geodesy, mathematical study of the Earth, its shape, measurements, etc., and the position and area of points and parts of its surface. Geodet, student of geodesy. Geodetic, making allowance of Earth's curvature. Geodynamic, pertaining to forces within the Earth. Geodynamics, study of geodynamic process. Geognosy, geological study of the materials forming the Earth. Geognos, student of geognosy. Geogony, theory or study of formation of the Earth. Geohydrology, study of the subterranean water. Geoid, figure of the Earth. Geomancy, divination by lines and figures. Geomorphic, pertaining to or like the form or figure of the Earth. Geomorphogeny, study of earth forms. Geomorphology, study of form, nature, and evolution on Earth's surface. Geophagus, eating Earth. Geophilus, living in or on the ground, growing under the ground. Geophysics, physics as applied to geology. Geophyte, plant growing in Earth. Geopolar, pertaining to Earth's poles. Geopolitics, study of the relationship between geographical situation and politics of a nation. Geoponical, agricultural. Geoponics, science of agriculture. Georama, map of world on inside of globe viewed from within. Georgic, pertaining to agriculture, rural such poem. Geoscopy, examination of earth and soil. Geoselenic, pertaining to earth and moon. Geosphere, solid part of the earth. Geostationary, pertaining to an artificial satellite whose orbit corresponds to the Earth's rotation, so it remains above the same point on the Earth's surface. Geostropic, pertaining to deflection due to Earth's rotation. Geosynchronous, geostationary. Geotaxis, biology, movement directed by the gravitation. Geotechnics, study of increasing the habitability of Earth. Geotectonic, pertaining to Earth's structure. Geotectonics, structural geology. Geothermal, pertaining to heat of Earth's interior. Geothermometer, instrument measure Earth's interior heat. Geotropism, biology, growth or movement directed by gravitation, especially towards the Earth. Geopyrophobia, morbid fear of bridges and passing over or under them. Gerotic, pertaining to old age and decadence. Gerotology, biological study of decadence. Gerundum, plural gerunda, thing to be done. Gerent, manager. Gerfalcon, large Arctic falcon. Geriatrics, medical study of old age and its diseases. German, of same parents, of one's parents' brother or sister. Cousin German, first cousin. Germane, relevant of. Germicide, substance destroying germs. Germophagy, substance expelling germs. Germinal, pertaining to germ or germination, pertaining to embryo. Gerocomy, medical study of old age. Geromorphism, having appearance of age greater than one's real age. Gerontic, biology, pertaining to old age or decadence. Gerontocracy, government by old men. Gerontodius, pertaining to old world. Gerontology, study of characteristics of old age. gerrymander, divide into electoral wards, etc. in such a way as to gain political advantage, distort or use facts, etc. to gain advantage. Gerund, a kind of verbal noun. Gerundive, gerundial adjective expressing in Latin necessity. Gesellschaft, group whose concerns are of a formal and practical nature. Gesso, prepared gypsum or plaster Paris used in painting. Apply gesso to. Gestalt, plural gestalten, integral pattern or system of a psychological events as a functional unit. Gestate, carry in womb. Gestation, such carrying or period of carrying. Gestatorial, pertaining to ceremonial carrying chair. Gestatory, pertaining to gestation, pertaining to carrying as exercise. Gestical, pertaining to motion of body or gestures. Gesticulate, gesture. Gesundheit, exclamation, good health. Gari, light horse-drawn carriage. Gat, mountain pass orange, river steps. Ghazi, Muslim champion, highest Turkish title of honor. Ghee, clarified butter. Gior, infidel Christian. Gibbous, convex, humbuck, applied to moon between half and full. Gibbous, hump. Gibbous, opera hat. Gid, brain disease of sheep. Giga, form of measurement, meaning 1,000 millions, abbreviation G. Gigantism, excessive growth, acromegaly. Giganticide, killing or killer of giant. Gigantomachy, battle of giants. Gigot, leg of Newton. Gilbertian, absurd, topsy-turvy, like situations in Gilbert and Sullivan comic operas. Gilaro, trout. Gilly, attendant on hunter. Gilliver, wallflower. Gimbals, contrivance of rings allowing supported body, example ship's compass to tip in any direction. Gingival, pertaining to gums, alveolar. Gingivalia, fading gums. Gingivitis, inflammation of gums. Ginglymus, hinge joint. Ginglymoid, pertaining to or like a ginglymus. Ginkgo, rare Chinese temple tree, maidenhair tree. Ginseng, Chinese herb with root used in folk medicine. Gerandole, cluster of water jets or fireworks, fountain with spreading spray and is just radiating ornament. Girasol, heliotrope, sunflower, fire opal. Gittern, citern. Glabrous, having smooth surface, hairless. Glabrescent, somewhat glabrous, tending to be glabrous. Glacis, gentle slope, especially sloping bank of fortification. Gladiate, sword shape. Glare, white of egg, any similar substance covered with glare. Glanders, bacillary gland disease of horses. Glandiform, acorn shape. Glandiferous, bearing acorns. Glasnost, openness, fallacy of openness followed by the Soviet government under Mikhail Gorbachev. Glossescent, somewhat glaucous. Glaucoma, excessive pressure of fluid within the eyeball. Glaucous, gray-green, green-blue, yellow-green. Glebe, soil, land attached to benefice. Glebe house, parsonage. Glit, mucus discharge, especially from urethra, emit such discharge. Glenoid, shaped like a shallow depression. Glyrin, dormouse-like. Glissade, slide down slope, sliding step, slide. Globigerina, plural, Globigerinae, protozoan living in surface waters of the sea. Globigerina ooze, deposit of the chalky shells of Globigerinae on the seafloor. Globulicide, substance destroying blood corpuscles. Globulimeter, instrument measuring red corpuscles in blood. Globulin, kind of protein in blood. Glochidate, barbed, bristly. Glockenspiel, xylophone-like musical instrument, especially with metal bars. Glomerate, collected compactly together. Glomerule, compactly clustered flower head. Glomerulus, plural glomeruli, intertwined cluster of organisms, nerve fibers, etc., especially capillaries in the kidney. Glossal, pertaining to tongue. Glossalgia, pain in tongue. Glossator, writer of glosses or commentaries. Glossectomy, removal of tongue. Glosseme, smallest meaningful of a language. Glossitis, inflammation of tongue. Glossoid, tongue-like. Glossolalia, gift of tongues. Glossology, terminology, study of language, medical study of tongue. Glossopathy, disease of tongue. Glossophagyny, feeding with tongue. Glossoplegia, paralysis of tongue. Glottis, chink-like space between the vocal cords. Glottal, closure and sudden explosive opening of glottis, sound thus caused as T in Lowland Scots. Glottochronology, philology, study of the rate at which changes takes place in a language, especially in divergent branches. Glottogenic, pertaining to origin of language. Glottology, study of language. Glucagon, pancreatic hormone which raises blood sugar level and reduces appetite. Glucose, form of sugar, dextrose, kind of syrup made from this. Glucoside, substance yielding glucose on hydrolysis. Glume, dry bark of grass flower. Glumiceous, like or composed of glumes. Glumiferous, bearing glumes. Glucide saccharin. Glucial, pertaining to buttocks. Gluten, sticky protein in flour containing little starch and much gluten. Glutinous, like or pertaining to glue. Glutation, act of swallowing. Glycemia, process of glucose in the blood. Glycogen, form of carbohydrate stored in body, found especially in liver. Glycogenesis, formation of sugar from glycogen. Glycose, glucose. Glycoresis, excretion of sugar in urine. Glyph, groove, ancient wall carving. Glyphic, pertaining to sculpture. Glyptic, pertaining to carving, especially of gems. Glyptography, gem carving. Glyptology, study of gem engravings. Natal, pertaining to jaw. Natism, formation of upper jaw, use of such formation as basis for classification. Natonic, flattering. Gneiss, granite-like metamorphic rock. Gneissoid, like gneiss. Gnomic, pertaining to or like aphorisms. Grammar, signifying general truth. Gnomis, writer of gnomic poetry. Nomologic, aphoristic. Nomology, gnomic writing, collection of gnomic writings. Gnosis, spiritual knowledge or insight. Gnostic, pertaining to knowledge or Gnosticism, adherent of Gnosticism. Gnosticism, religious belief of those claiming gnosis or that freedom was possible through gnosis alone. Gnotobiosis, rearing of organisms in germ-free environment. Gnotobiote, germ-free animal. Gominism, theory of the superiority of Aryan or Teutonic race, postulated by J.A.D. Gobineau. Godet, panel inserted to make skirt flare. Go down, warehouse. Gopher, float edges of cream. Gombrun, kind of Persian pottery. Gomposis, growth of tooth into bone cavity. Gonad, sexual gland, ovary or testes. Gonadotropic, stimulating activity of the gonads. Gonadotropin, gonadotropic hormone. Gonalgia, pain in knee. Gonioclinic, applied to hybrid more like one parent than other. Gonfalon, hanging banner. Gonfalonier, standard bearer, medieval Italian magistrate. Gonion, plural gonia, angle, special of lower jaw. Goniometer, instrument measuring angles. Goniometry, trigonometry. Gonitis, inflammation of knee. Gonoblast, reproductive cell. Gonochroism, separation of sex diocesis, development of sex differentiation. Gonocyte, gamete-producing cell. Gonococcus, plural gonococci, bacterium causing gonorrhea. Gonorrhea, bacterial disease of sexual and urinary tract. Google, 10 raised to the 100 power. Googleplex, 10 raised to the power of a Google. Gopher, rat-like burrowing rodent of North America. Goral, Asiatic goat antelope. Gorgon, extremely ugly or terrifying woman. Gorgonian, form of horny coral. Gorgonize, transfix with stare, petrify. Gourmandize, eat greedily or voraciously. Gourmandize. Gorsed, assembly of giving praises, degree, etc. at close of stadefold, meeting of bards and druids. Gotterdamerum, twilight of the gods. Guache, fainting with pigments mixed with gum. Gourami, large freshwater Southeast Indian food fish. Gourmand, gluttonous person. Gourmandize, gluttony. Gourmet, epicure. Governor, mechanical device especially based in centrifugal action of two balls for controlling speed, etc. Gracile, slender. Gratatim, step by step. Gradin, one of a tier of steps, seats, etc. Gradus, abbreviation of Gradus ad Parnassum, dictionary used in composition of Latin verses. Graph, plural graphen, title equivalent of Earl in Germany and Sweden. Graffito, plural graffiti, ancient world drawing or writing, usually plural, drawing or writing scratched, scribbled, or sprayed on a surface in a public place. Granatory, pertaining to wading birds. Gramicidin, antibiotic produced by a bacterium and used against gram-positive bacteria. Graminaceous, grass-like, pertaining to grass family of plants. Gramidivorous, feeding on grass. Graminology, study of grasses. Graminous, grassy. Grammalog, word represented by one shorted sign, such sign. Grammatolatry, worship of words or letters or the letter. Gram-positive, denoting a class of bacteria stainable by method invented by H.J.C. Gram, the physician. Gram-negative, denoting class of bacteria not stainable thus. Grampus, kind of small whale, blackish, killer whale. Grandiloquent, bombastic, using high-sounding language. Grandisonant, sounding great, pompous. Grandierize, illustrate especially by interleaving with additional pictures. Graniferous, bearing grain or grain-like seeds. Granivorous, feeding on grain or seeds. Granulocyte, kind of white blood cell. Graphology, study of and reading character from handwriting. Graphometer, angle measuring instrument. Graphopossum, writer's cramp. Grapnel, small anchor or hook. Graticulate, divide pattern, etc. into squares for easiness of reproduction. Graticule, grid of line used with the eyepiece of a microscope, telescope, etc. for measuring or locating objects. Grid of lines on a major chart. Gratuitous, done freely, needless, groundless. Gratuity, a gift of money, tip. Gratulatory, congratulating. Gravamen, plural gravamina, substance of a grievance or charge. Gravido, cold in the head. Gravid, pregnant. Gravida, pregnant woman. Gravimetrical, pertaining to measurement by weight. Gravimeter, instrument for measuring specific gravities, instrument for measuring variations in the Earth's gravitational field. Greave, armor covering lower leg. Greaves, talorifuse. Gregarious, living in herds, tending to flock together, fan of society. Gregarian, pertaining to the common herd. Gremial, pertaining to bosom or lap, bishop's apron. Grenadine, sweet fruit syrup, light thin dress fabric. Gresorial, adapted for walking. Grey walkie, coarse-grained sandstone. Grievance, grounds real or imaginary for complaint, feeling of resentment especially caused by treatment felt to be unfair. Grievous, very severe or painful, causing grief or suffering, heinous. Grievous bodily harm, law, crime of inflicting serious physical injury on another person, abbreviation GBH. Griffey, person of mixed American Indian and Negro blood. Grifado, child of white and quadroon parents. Grilsey, young salmon. Grisay, glass painted with gray pigment. Gracious, grizzled. Grisette, young working girl. Gris, African charm or amulet. Griskin, lean loin of pork. Grivet, black and white Abyssinian monkey. Grobian, loud. Grognard, grocer, old soldier. Gromatic, pertaining to surveying. Gromatics, surveying special of camp. Grosbeak, large-billed finch, hook finch. Rosularia pertaining to or like gooseberry, belonging to gooseberry family of plants. Groine, wooden breakwater. Gruin, like or pertaining to cranebird. Groom, cloth, clotted liquid. Grumus, comprising a cluster of granules. Grumus, clotted. Grillid, cricket insect pertaining to or like cricket, belonging to cricket family of insects. Grisbook, small radius antelope. Wacom, resin of a tropical American tree used as a rheumatic remedy. Guanaco, South American llama-like animal. Guano, seabird's excrement used as a fertilizer. Guaniferous, yielding guano. Guava, apple-like fruit of several tropical American shrubs. Gubernatorial, pertaining to governor or government. Gubernatrix, female governor. Gueparde, cheetah. Guerdon, reward. Guillemot, kind of oak-like seabird. Giloche, architectural ornament of intertwined curved lines or bands. Guimbard, Jew's harp. Guipure, kind of large pattern heavy lace. Gulag, system of prisons and labor camps in the USSR, one of these camps. Ghouls, heraldry, red. Gulosity, greediness. Gumbotil, dark sticky clay formed by the weathering of boulder clay or glacial drift. Ganche, parquet granary. Gunya, aborigin's hut. Gargitate, bubble. Gargitation, ebullition. Gargulation, gargling sound, rumble. Gustation, act of tasting, sense of taste. Guta, plural gutae, drop. Gutta percha, rubber-like substance. Gutta rosea, acne rosea. Gutta serena, amaurosis. Gotei, like a drop having spots like drops. Gatiferous, yielding gum. Gatiform, drop shape. Guttation, exudation of drops of moisture. Gutule, small drop, spot like a small drop. Gotorotetany, throat spasm causing stammer. Guile, a brewing of beer, wort, fermenting vat. Gymkhana, meeting for competitive sports events, especially equestrian competitors, public place for athletic displays and games. Gymnosopes, ancient Indian ascetic philosopher. Nodis. Gymnosperm, flowering plant with naked seed. Gynecic, female. Gynecide, killing or killer of women. Gynecocentric, with the female element dominating. Gynecocracy, domination of society by women. Gynecolatry, worship of women. Gynecology, branch of medicine dealing with diseases of women, especially disorders of the reproductive system. Gynekomania, sexual craving for women. Gynecomastia, abnormal enlargement of a man's breast. Gynecomorbus, having female form or characteristics. Gynecopathy, any disease of women. Gynandroid, hermaphrodite, applied to woman of masculine physique. Gynandromorph, animal having both male and female characteristics. Gynarchy, government by women. Gynatrix, treatment of women's diseases. Gynix, knowledge of women. Gynocracy, gynecocracy. Gynoecium, plural gynoecia, botany, pistils collectively. Gypsum, form of calcium sulfate used in making plaster of Paris, form of alabaster. Gypsiferous, containing gypsum. Gyrinid, wriggling beetle, like or pertaining to this, belonging to the Gyrinid family of beetles. Gyrocompass, gyroscope with its axis kept horizontal, pointing always to true north. Gyrocopter, combination of autogyro and helicopter, that is, rotorcraft having both drive to rotors and a normal propeller. Gyrograph, instrument recording wheels revolutions. Gyromagnetic, denoting the magnetic properties of the spinning electron in an atom. Gyropilot, automatic aircraft pilot comprising two gyroscopes. Gyroscopes, solid wheel rotating in a ring with its axis free to turn, such apparatus with its axis fixed and acting as compass, stabilizer, etc. Gyrostatics, study of rotating bodies and their properties. Gyve, fetter.
A few moments later.
Salamat po ng napakarami po sa inyo pong panood. Kung nyo po ito pong nagustuhan ay maaari po natin po itong share. Hanggang sa muli po, goodbye po!